Welcome to our channel, The Polished Professional. As you prepare to step into the corporate world, one of the most crucial skills you'll need to master is communication. Effective communication is the backbone of any successful organization. It's not just about exchanging information, it's about understanding the emotions and intentions behind the information. Today, we'll explore the basics of communication that will help you navigate your new professional environment. First, let's talk about verbal communication. This is the most obvious form of communication, and it involves the words we choose and how we express them. In the corporate world, clarity is key. When you speak, aim to be concise and direct. Avoid jargon unless you're sure everyone understands it. Remember, your goal is to convey your message in a way that's easily understood. This means organizing your thoughts before you speak. Take a moment to consider what you want to say and how you want to say it. A well-structured message not only makes it easier for others to follow, but also demonstrates your professionalism. Next, we have nonverbal communication, which often speaks louder than words. This includes body language, facial expressions, and even your posture. For instance, maintaining eye contact shows confidence and engagement, while crossed arms might suggest defensiveness or disinterest. Be mindful of your nonverbal cues. They can reinforce your verbal messages or, conversely, contradict them. When you're in a meeting or a presentation, your body language should reflect openness and attentiveness. This not only helps you connect with your audience, but also fosters a positive atmosphere for collaboration. Listening is another critical component of effective communication. Many people think of communication as a one-way street, but it's actually a two-way process. Active listening involves fully concentrating on the speaker, understanding their message, responding thoughtfully, and remembering key points. When someone is speaking to you, resist the urge to formulate your response while they're talking. Instead, focus entirely on what they're saying. This not only shows respect, but also allows you to respond more thoughtfully. Ask questions to clarify any uncertainties and demonstrate your engagement. Remember, good communication is as much about listening as it is about speaking. Now, let's touch on written communication, which is prevalent in the corporate world. Emails, reports, and memos are just a few examples of written communication you'll encounter. The same principles of clarity and conciseness apply here. When writing, be sure to structure your content logically. Use headings and bullet points to break up text and make it easier to digest. Always proofread your work to avoid any grammatical errors or typos that could undermine your professionalism. Moreover, consider your audience. Tailor your tone and language to suit the recipients. A formal email to a superior should differ from a casual message to a colleague. Furthermore, adaptability is essential in communication. Different situations call for different communication styles. For instance, a brainstorming session may require a more informal and open style, while a performance review demands a more structured and serious approach. Being able to read the room and adjust your communication accordingly can make a significant difference in how your message is received. Lastly, let's discuss feedback. Giving and receiving feedback is a vital part of communication in the corporate environment. When providing feedback, be constructive and specific. Focus on the behavior or outcome rather than making it personal. When receiving feedback, approach it with an open mind. View it as an opportunity for growth rather than criticism. This mindset will help you build stronger relationships with your colleagues and contribute to a culture of continuous improvement. In conclusion, mastering the basics of communication is essential as you transition into the corporate world. By honing your verbal and nonverbal skills, practicing active listening, refining your written communication, adapting to various situations, and embracing feedback, you will set yourself up for success. Remember, effective communication fosters collaboration, resolves conflicts, and builds strong professional relationships. So, as you embark on this new chapter, keep these principles in mind, and you'll navigate the corporate landscape with confidence and ease. Good luck.